Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Nexo account login, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Nexo account login, begin by navigating to the Nexo website. At the top right corner of the home page, locate and click on the login button. On the login page, find and select the Forgot Password link. You will be redirected to the password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Nexo account in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Nexo. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and locate the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to the password reset page on the Nexo website. Create a strong new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it in the provided field. Click on the Reset Password button to finalize the process. You should receive a confirmation message that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the Nexo login page to enter your email and new password. After logging in, make sure to review your account settings for added security. You have now successfully reset your Nexo account login. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.